Hi, I'm Kaylina Eldridge, manager at Aloha Hula Supply. Today we have my grandma here. She's going to teach us how to make some banana bread. But grandma's banana bread is bomb. It helps pay for my Miss Hula journey. We ended up selling like 3 loaves of banana bread for $10. I sold as a fundraiser to help me raise money for Miss Hula. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, grandma, what's first?
Okay. We're going to have to do this the old style way. Because I don't have my blender here.
Electric beater, yeah?
Yeah, I usually have a beater, but I'm going to use my hand. That's how I learned to do it anyway. But
well, I think it's good because it's like hula, right? Where you get to put your mana into what you're making.
That's right.
So
here we go.
Okay, so the butter.
We have 3 blocks of butter or margarine. I'm using margarine. I don't use butter. Sorry.
Why? What's the difference?
Well, butter's more expensive.
Oh. But it tastes better? Or oh no, you're cheap. You like the cheapness of margarine.
I'm cheap, okay?
Got it.
If it works, do it.
Does the job.
Yeah. And this is 3 cups of sugar, okay? There we go. And now you put your hand in it, and I washed my hands, so it's okay. It's clean. And you have to cream.
So like until the sugar is all mixed into the butter.
Yes. And it's fast. If you have a mixer, it's a lot faster, but this will do. We don't have our beater today. Okay. See? I mean, it'll get creamier, but just so that it's
all mixed in.
All mixed in, okay? Now, if you hand me the eggs, Kaylina. Yep. Okay. Then you add your eggs. We're going to add 6 eggs to this. And you usually do 1 egg at a time and just kind of squish it in there. And it'll be very creamy. Okay.
That was 3. That's 3 more.
Yes. So that's 6 eggs.
But you literally use your hand the whole time.
The whole time. Lena, if you put there's
Which one?
vanilla.
Vanilla.
Can you put the vanilla into the
bananas?
Bananas.
Okay.
Okay. And
how much vanilla is this?
That's 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
No, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Sorry, 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Okay.
Now, if you just mix that in with this.
With this?
Yeah,
Okay. So this is how much bananas?
That's 8 cups of bananas that have been blended in the blender.
Like in a blender, yeah. Like you just keep blending it all.
Yeah, so that it's smooth. It's pureed. There's no lumps.
Got it.
Okay. But that's 8 cups, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And that, okay.
About how many bananas is that? A lot?
It's a lot, yeah. It all depends on the size of your bananas.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
And so these bananas, though, we got from Uncle Mark's farm, yeah?
That's right.
So that's the farm, the Paikuli Stride farm that we've been doing those holo eye boxes too. And so it's kind of amazing because it's from farm to table, literally.
Yes. I went up. They get so many bananas, so he freezes the bananas. So he gave me frozen bananas yesterday. So.
But it doesn't matter if it's frozen or fresh.
No,
all the same.
Makes no difference. Okay.
And then what?
Okay. Now, if you'll put the salt, that salt and baking soda, okay, into the flour. And you're going to use 3 teaspoons of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Okay.
You just mix it in.
With like a whisk?
If you get another spoon. Okay, now see, it's become very creamy.
Very creamy.
Okay, now we have,
How much flour was this?
that was 4 cups of
4
flour.
cups of flour. Got it.
Yeah. With
So all the
3
powdered things, yeah?
Yeah. So this is our dry ingredients, and that's our wet ingredients. And we're going to start with a little bit of dry ingredients.
Okay. Into this?
Yes. You divide your dry ingredients into three basically. Okay.
You eyeball it, because I don't
Yeah.
know.
You just eyeball it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So you start with dry, and then you're going to... Oh, that wasn't too good. That messy. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then divide your wet ingredients in half. Pour half of that in here, or basically half, okay? Okay, now I need another third. Or such. Okay, there you go. And let me just...
The bowl is barely big enough.
Yeah, just barely. That's why this is the Super Bowl. Okay, and then the rest of the wet ingredients. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you throw the chocolate chips.
It's the best part.
That's no. Put
No.
it in.
Oh, in this?
Yeah. We'll put it in the last of the flour because we're gonna mix the flour with the flour so it hopefully will not drop to the bottom.
Got it.
Okay. Put the rest of that in there.
Oh. There we go. Throw these into the sink. And then just basically mix it all until it's all mixed in.
Yep, that's it. You just basically mix it all up and there you go.
And this recipe makes how much? How many loaves are we doing?
This recipe...
Well, you always do these mini loaves,
Yes.
so.
I always do 32 loaves at one time. They all fit in my oven. So, but, and I've never really modified it, so I didn't want to cut the recipe.
It works like
this.
Yeah,
but this works for me, okay? So you can work with it. I mean, okay.
Okay.
Now you just
we're just gonna scoop in.
And it'll take
Like
maybe
that?
2. No.
Oh, 2 scoops?
Yeah. Almost to the top.
Like that?
Yep. It's cooked in a 350 oven. And
For about how long?
okay, I put it in for 8 minutes, and then I shift the 4 pans around so the 2 that are on the bottom go to the top, and the outside ones go switch so that from top to bottom.
So that
And
it
then
evenly
I
cooks
bake
all
it
the
for
way,
another 7 to 8 minutes. So it's really fast. It's only like 15 minutes per.
Okay, so they're going in the oven now.
They're going in the oven now.
Okay, so tell me again, 350 for about 8 minutes. Yeah?
And they go 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top.
The finished product. So actually,
Yes,
they're being cooked for 25 minutes.
Yes, instead of 15.
But,
Oh,
yay!
Yay!
Oh, wait.
Is it good?
Yep.
Okay, that's good.
This is Grandma's bread.
Welcome to Art Pacifica, powered by the world's largest Polynesian dance store, Aloha Hula Supply. Become a member to enjoy video content, monthly specials, quarterly giveaways, and discounts on premium workshops. Together, let's learn, share, teach, and grow as we uplift our cultures and support each other. Mahalo!